OnePlus is back again, and this time they drop something really exciting, the OnePlus 13. Let's start with design. The OnePlus 13s feel absolutely premium in the hand. It's compact, comfortable to hold, and comes in three gorgeous finishes: black velvet, pink satin, and green silk. Now, under the hood, it's running on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is currently one of the fastest processor in the Android world. Pair that with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, and you're looking at a smooth, lighting fast performance every single time. And yes, it's powered by Android 15 with Oxygen 15, which means clean and optimized software. Now let's talk display. A 6.32-inch LTPO AMOLED display panel with 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz adaptable refresh rate. Camera: OnePlus has gone for a dual camera setup this time with a 50 megapixel Sony LYT-700 main sensor and a 50 megapixel telescope lens offer 2x optical zoom, and the 32 megapixel front camera also get autofocus now, perfect for selfie and video call. Battery life: massive upgrade. The 5850 mAh battery with 80 watt SuperVOOC fast charging. You can top up to 0 to 100% in under 40 minutes. Connectivity is future ready too. 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, and an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance. Plus, it's include an in-display fingerprint sensor that's fast and reliable. So, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to ToPhoneGyan for quick tech update.